Good evening all. Yesterday we discussed fundamental on circles. Now we discuss one of the chapter in 10th class, tangents and secants. Now tangents and secants. What is meant by tangent? What is meant by secant? It is very easy chapter in 10th class, 8 to 12 to 10 marks చాప్టర్ అండి. నౌ చాప్టర్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఈ చాప్టర్లో బేసిక్స్ మాట్లాడదాం. ఫండమెంటల్ బేసిక్స్ ఆన్ టాంజెంట్స్ అండ్ సీకెంట్స్. వాట్ ఈజ్ మెన్ బై టాంజెంట్? సర్కిల్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. Here a circle is a set of points annu. So this is the circle. Our chapter is a tangents and secants. What is meant by tangent? What is meant by secant? A line intersects the circle at 2 points. This is the line intersect the circle at 2 points. Then it is called secant to a circle. It is secant to a circle. A line intersect the circle at 1 point. Suppose this is the line intersect the circle at 1 point. P. This is called secant. It is secant. It is tangent to a circle. A line intersect the circle at 1 point. It is tangent. 2 points. It is secant. Okay. Now, how many secants you can draw to circle? Infinite secants we can draw. Here, this is one secant, this is another secant, this is another secant, this is another secant. So many secants, infinitely secants we can draw to a circle. How many tangents draw to a circle? Here, this is the circle is infinitely points. No, this is one point P. It is a tangent. Here, pointer. Suppose this is the circle. Here point, this is the tangent. Here point, this is the tangent. Here point, circle. Here it is also a tangent. How many tangents drawn to a circle? Infinitely tangents. Infinite tangents to draw to a circle. Now, how many tangents drawn? How many parallel tangents drawn at the most? At the most to a circle. Here, number of parallel tangents drawn to a circle. Only 2 parallel tangents. These are the at the most. Mostly, how many parallel tangents? 2 parallel tangents. In general, how many parallel tangents are drawn? This is a tangent parallel to this one. Suppose this is the tangent parallel to this one. This is the tangent drawn to parallel to this one. Infinitely parallel tangents are drawn, but at mostly this is the tangent parallel to how many tangents? Only one tangent. That means how many parallel tangents? At the most 2 parallel tangents. Okay, so secant tangents, number of parallel tangents at the most is 2. Generally, parallel tangents are infinite. Now, one of the theorem, important theorem, that is a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Suppose this is the circle. This is the tangent. This is the tangent. A tangent to a circle. This is the tangent. AB is the tangent through the point. At the point of contact is P. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is the statement, one of the important theorem. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular. Statement. What is that? A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. How to prove? Here, this is the tangent. O is the center of a circle, and OP is the radius through the point of contact. OP is the radius through the point of contact. Here P is the contact point and circle ki tangent ki only common point is P. That is OP is the radius. If you take any point on tangent AB, if you take any point on tangent AB other than P, what happens? Suppose this is the point Q. This is the point Q. Here you can join OQ. OP is the radius and OQ is the not radius. Here Q is outside the circle. P is lies on the circle. P is lies on the circle. Q is outside the circle. That means that is the position of point. Position of point a circle, you know, already fundamental ga meeku manaku telusandi. P is lies on the circle. Q is outside the circle, and R is inside the circle. In general, already fundamentals you know. Here P is the point lies on the circle and Q is outside the circle. That means the distance from center to Q is greater than distance from center to P. Yes or no? Here why? Because it is the radius. It is the not radius more than radius. That means OQ is greater than OP. If you take point is Q is the point outside the circle. If you take point R inside the circle, you can join. Inside the circle R, you can join. It is not tangent. If you join this point, it is not tangent. It is secant to a circle. Here P is lies. That means here R is the point. That means OR is not radius. Here P is lies on the circle and Q is outside the circle. If you take any point on tangent AB other than P, the distance from center to that point, suppose this is S, that OS is greater than OP. Since ఇక్కడ P అనేది P కి సర్కిల్ కి ఓన్లీ కామన్ పాయింట్ P అండి. S is outside the circle. ఇంకా S P కాకుండా other than P, if you take any point on AB, the distance from center to that point always greater than OP. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. That means OP is the shortest length. OP is the shortest length. Then all from O to any point on tangent to a circle. ఈ P అనేది సర్కిల్ మీద లైస్ అయ్యి ఉంది. P కాకుండా టాంజెంట్ మీద నీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన ఏ పాయింట్ కన్సిడర్ చేసినా సెంటర్ నుంచి దట్ పాయింట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్. అంటే OP is the shortest length from center to that line. Yes, understood? That means, for example, this is the line. From P is the point P. Suppose O is the point. O నుంచి షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్ తో ఫామ్ అయ్యి షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్ తో ఉంది అంటే షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్ ఫ్రమ్ O to that line is perpendicular. ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఓ నుంచి ఈ టాంజెంట్ మీదకి మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన లైన్ ఏదైనా కన్సిడర్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ఎనీ పాయింట్ అదర్ దాన్ పి, ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సెంటర్ టు దట్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఓపి. దట్ మీన్స్ ఓపి ఈజ్ ద షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్. ఓపి ఈజ్ ద షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్. Therefore, OP is the shortest length. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB. That means OP is perpendicular to AB. That means this is the tangent AB and OP is the radius through the point of contact P. So a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. ఎక్కడి నుంచి radius? Through the point of contact. Understood? So that means జనరల్ గా ఇంకేం చెప్తామండి, షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్ సెంటర్ నుంచి లైన్ కి షార్టెస్ట్ లెంగ్త్ ఆల్వేస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఓకేనండి, కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైంది? అండర్స్టూడ్? ఎస్ మా. సో మ్యాటర్ లైక్ దిస్, మ్యాటర్ రాసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థియరం. ఓకే.